Hey everybody, today's video is just going to be a quick review on the Flaming River steering wheel that I had purchased, and let's go from there. Alright, so like I said, quick review. It's like a cherry wood steering wheel with a black inlay as well as black center with stainless steel hardware. And to be quite honest, I absolutely love it. As you can see here, fingers go right into the grooves. It has a nice smooth finish. It doesn't get hot in the summer, at least for me. I live in Washington, so it doesn't get super hot here anyways. I thought that this would be a problem, but honestly, it doesn't affect me at all when you have your hand over the steering wheel. But you get that nice groove on the backside for holding. Has plenty of spacing in here, so you can put your hand if you want to have a lower grip on there. Super easy to install. If you have a horn, it does have a horn spot. You could also choose to replace this piece if you wanted to do some custom with this. I was a little worried about this also this groove here for cleaning, but haven't found it to be an issue at all. Just honestly, just a truly wonderful steering wheel, and I have enjoyed it greatly since I've installed it. I do miss my GT steering wheel that I had, but this steering wheel definitely helps me move on quite well. The size of it is great, at least for my current setup I have right now. From here to the steering wheel, there's plenty of room. I also have tilt steering, so that helps. It's just about standard position. It's just sitting up just slightly, which I could talk about that in the next review for the steering column. But yeah, so there's plenty of room here, so the steering wheel is not too big. I also noticed that when you're in the seat, here's a quick view from the seat, it doesn't impede your view too much, so it's not really tall steering wheel as well, which is also nice. Other than that, and it comes across actually kind of that cherry seems to really, it's a mahogany color, but the cherry seems to come out in it a lot, depending on camera view and lighting and stuff. But it's actually, you could see the color a little bit more like this. This is kind of closer to what I see with my eyes, but when I change the angle of it, you can see a lot more reds in this. It's actually pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that, so it's a little extra. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Highly recommend the Flaming River steering wheel. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.